This cat can kill in ways you won't believe. The Jaguar has the strongest bite of any big cat, strong enough to pierce skulls. It doesn't just hunt on land. It swims, ambushes from trees, and drags prey underwater. Turtle shells? Caiman armor? Its jaws crush them effortlessly. Jaguars are silent hunters. You never know they're nearby. They can hunt prey faster than a lion or tiger. Even ancient civilizations respected and feared them as spirits of power and death. One strike, one choice. Nothing survives. If you love learning the wildest secrets of nature, subscribe, because reality is scarier than fiction.
Okay, I think I'm gonna retire now.
Oh my god. Oh my god.